Al-Khair Foundation has been working to alleviate the struggles of the vulnerable and displaced people of Syria since late 2012, delivering vital food packs to various neighborhoods and camps for some of the neediest families, assisting in providing access to medical attention at medical centers and hospitals to children who have become the unfortunate casualties of this ongoing conflict, providing clean water access to people who were forced to collect unsanitary and unsafe water to drink and clean. The foundation even endeavored to provide winter clothing, coats and jackets to children in schools and child centers. During this season, heavy snowfall, piercing winds, and the relentless biting cold will cause hypothermia, pneumonia, infections, and other life-threatening illnesses, which will take countless lives unless we intervene immediately. This winter, Al-Khair Foundation is providing winter warmer packs to countless families trying to survive the harsh and bitter weather that is taking hold of the region. Each winter warmer pack includes blankets, clothing, basic medical supplies and supplements to safeguard a family through this winter season. Bring warmth now to some of the most desperate and vulnerable people in Syria by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.
حسبي الله